In today's video, we're diving into 18 brand new cooking utensils on Amazon that every home chef and kitchen enthusiast needs to see. All the gadget links are in the description, so let's jump in. The Ami Kite Semi-Auto Whisk takes the work out of whisking. Just press the handle down, and the whisk spins on its own. Perfect for mixing eggs, sauces, or cream. Made from stainless steel, it's durable and easy to clean. This clever tool saves time and effort, especially for quick meal prep or baking. Make perfect pancakes with less mess using the Whiskware pancake batter bottle. This clever bottle comes with a built-in blender ball that mixes ingredients effortless, just shake and pour. It's ideal for pancakes, waffles, or even crepes, giving you total control over portion sizes and designs. The wide opening makes it easy to fill and clean, and it's dishwasher safe. The Bayuni Chicken Shredder is a fast, mess-free way to pull cooked meat apart for tacos, sandwiches, or salads. Just place the meat inside, close the lid, and twist. It does all the shredding in seconds. Made from BPA-free plastic, it's dishwasher safe and easy to store. Spinners at making fresh salads just got easier with the Farberware salad spinner. It features a large bowl, easy-to-use pump mechanism, and built-in brake for quick stops. Dry your lettuce, herbs, and greens in seconds without soaking your countertops. It's also dishwasher safe, making post-meal cleanup a breeze. Make sushi night fun and easy with the Mukulai Sushi Rolling Mat. This set includes bamboo mats, paddles, and spreaders, giving you everything needed to roll delicious sushi at home. The natural bamboo is durable and easy to clean. Whether you're making classic rolls or veggie version, this kit brings a restaurant experience right to your dinner table. Crack eggs perfectly every time with the Zoclu egg cracker tool. This gadget grips and cracks eggs in one easy motion. No shells, no mess. It's great for kids, beginners, or anyone who bakes often. Simply place the egg, squeeze, and it opens cleanly into your bowl or pan. Compact and easy to clean, it makes breakfast prep or baking faster and cleaner without the usual fuss of cracking by hand. The Dreamfarm Mini Supoon is a clever little spoon scraper combo that scoops up every last drop from jars and bowls. Its flat squeegee edge is perfect for sauces, spreads, and condiments, and the built-in rest keeps your counter clean. It's heat-resistant, safe for non-stick cookware, and comes in fun colors too. Whether you're baking or cooking, this tool helps you waste less and clean up faster. Remove corn from the cob in seconds with the Chef'n Cob Corn Stripper. This handheld gadget glides smoothly along the cob, collecting kernels into a built-in container. No more flying pieces or mess. It's safe, simple, and especially handy when you're prepping corn for salads, soups, or freezing. The stainless steel blade is sharp but enclosed, making it kid-friendly and easy to use. The Oricomb Upgrade. Meat Chopper is designed to break up ground meat quickly and evenly, thanks to its 5 curved blades and ergonomic design. Made from BPA-free, heat-resistant nylon, it won't damage your non-stick cookware. This tool also doubles as a potato masher or sauce stirrer, making it incredibly versatile. It's lightweight, dishwasher safe, and super handy for everyday cooking. Citrus Juicer. The Chef'n Fresh Force Citrus Juicer is a must-have if you love fresh juice without the hassle. This handheld press uses a dual-gear mechanism to squeeze out every drop from lemons, limes, or small oranges. It's built from durable stainless steel with a vibrant finish that adds a splash of color to your kitchen. Mitru Popsicle molds make homemade treats easy and fun with their food-grade silicone design. The set includes 6 reusable molds with a drip guard base, perfect for crafting healthy popsicles using fruit juice, yogurt, or smoothies. The flexible material makes unmolding effortless, and it's dishwasher safe for quick cleanup. Get perfect, evenly shaped patties every time with the Cuisinart Burger Press. This sturdy, easy-to-use tool lets you form consistent burger sizes with just one press, ensuring even cooking and better flavor. Great for beef, turkey, or veggie patties, it also features a non-stick surface for easy release. It's dishwasher safe and compact for easy storage. Make separating egg yolks from whites quick and mess-free with the Camkite Egg Separate. This compact tool clips onto most bowls and uses a slotted design to catch the yolk while the white drains through. It's ideal for baking, cooking, or healthy recipes needing just whites. The Sasasha Herb Scissors set lets you chop fresh herbs in seconds with 5 sharp stainless steel blades. It comes with a handy cleaning comb and herb stripper to remove leaves from stems quickly. These scissors cut basil, parsley, cilantro, and more straight into your dish without the mess of a cutting board. It's a must-have for any home chef who loves cooking with fresh, flavorful ingredients. If your mornings begin with coffee, the Stanley Stay Hot Camp Mug is your new favorite. Made with double-wall vacuum insulation, it keeps drinks hot for hours. It's rugged, leak-resistant, and perfect for both kitchen counters and campsite tables. With a classic look and tough build, this mug keeps your brew warm and your grip comfortable wherever you go. Syntic glass milk bottles combine charm and functionality, offering a retro touch to modern kitchen. Made from thick, lead-free glass with secure lids, they're perfect for storing milk, juice, smoothies, or cold brew. The 10-ounce size is just right for single servings, and the reusable design promotes eco-friendliness. Easy to clean and refrigerator-safe. Ototo's Aqua Crab Utensil. Rest adds playful functionality to your kitchen. Shaped like a smiling crab, this silicone holder grips spoons, spatulas, or tongs while keeping countertops clean. Heat-resistant and dishwasher-safe, it clings to pot rims or sits by the stove. It's quirky, adorable, and practical. The Ganiza 5-in-1 Immersion Blender is a versatile kitchen powerhouse, combining blending, whisking, chopping, frothing, and mashing in one sleek tool. With a powerful 800-watt motor, variable speed control, and stainless steel blades, it effortlessly handles soups, sauces, and smoothies. The ergonomic handle ensures comfort, while detachable parts make cleaning easy. It's an ideal multi-function gadget for modern, efficient meal prep. If you could choose only one, which would it be? Share your pick in the comments below. You can find the link in the description box below. Make sure to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up to stay updated with all our future content.